Hey folks, I'm Erin and I'm going to be guiding you through using geometry nodes at this more advanced level. Geometry nodes is still in a rapid stage of development, but there's already so much that you can do with the tools. So yes, you will find there's some things missing, but there's already a rich array of things that we do have access to and many more coming our way. If you're new to geometry nodes and procedural modeling, then you might find that this course is on the complex side for you. We have already released a course on geometry nodes for beginners, which builds some great foundations for procedural modeling and just generally working with geometry nodes and what we'll be doing in this section. In this course, we're going to be learning some more high-level approaches to procedural modeling and designing for success. We're going to create, UV unwrap and export a model. We're going to learn about the SDF workflow and how we can work with that using the volume cube. We're going to learn how to get the most out of the shortest path nodes, and we're also going to have a look at how we can use the accumulate node to position differently sized objects along a spline. By the end of all this, you're going to be able to create complex and beautiful models procedurally in Blender. I'm really excited to get to share geometry nodes with you. I hope to see you on the course.